Today we are going to talk about volume of pyramids. Typically, when we think of pyramids, we think of the Great Pyramids of Egypt. They're actually square pyramids. So as you can see here, the base of this pyramid is a square or rectangle. There are other types of pyramids. One that we will see is the triangular pyramid, where the base is a triangle, as we can see right here. And then, of course, the square pyramid that we are all used to seeing. So here's our first example. We see up top the formula. 1/3 times area base times the height. Okay, so if we were to see it on our formula chart, we would see volume equals 1/3 big B H. So again, the 1/3 means divide by 3. The big B stands for area of the base, and then H is the height of the prism. So let's write in our formula. Volume equals 1/3 big B H. Now the shape of the base here, we can see, is a square. So I'm actually going to shade the base just to help me keep things in order. I think shading the base definitely helps you out identify what type of pyramid you have. So the shape of the base is a square. Now I need to find the area of the base. So I do 6 times 6, because that's your base times your height of the area, or the base, to get 36. So now I have to do 36 times the height of the pyramid. 36 times by 6, and that is 216. But now I have to divide by 3. So I'll just go out to the side. 216 divided by 3. 3 goes into 2 0 times. 3 goes into 21 7 times. Bring down our 6. 3 goes into 6 twice. So 216 divided by 3 equals 72. So the volume of this pyramid would be 72 meters cubed. Again, when you have volume, you have to have units cubed, meters cubed, whatever the unit of measure is, cubed. So here's our second example. Looking at our our pyramid, we see the base is a triangle. So I'm going to shade that in. And I see it's a triangle. So the formula for the volume is volume equals 1/3 big B H. Again, big B stands for area of base. Now the shape of the base is a triangle. So now I need to find the area of the base. I can see that the base of the triangle is 6 and the height is 8. I can tell because of that right angle. Remember, we use our right angle to tell us the base and the height of our triangle, meaning this 10 meters means nothing to us, or 10 miles. So I'm going to do 6 times 8 to get 48, but it's a triangle, so I have to divide by 2 to get 24. Again, I can't forget the steps of the easy shapes. The divide by 2 for a triangle, you have to do. Now I'm going to take that 24, and I'm going to multiply it by the height of the entire pyramid, which is 10, to get 240. And now I have to do the last step, which is divide by 3. For all pyramids, you divide by 3. 240 divided by 3. I'm going to do it out here to the side. 3 goes into 2 0 times. 3 goes into 24 8 times. That's 24. Bring down our 0. 3 goes into 0 0 times. So we get 80. So the volume of this pyramid would be 80 miles cubed. Now for the last example, Right here we have a rectangular pyramid. So I'm going to shade in the base. On a pyramid, there is only one base. I'm going to write in the formula. Volume equals 1/3 big B H. Again, big B stands for area of base. So I'm going to say the shape of the base is a rectangle. Now I need to figure out the area for that. So I do 5 times 11 to get 55. Now I need to multiply that by the height of the entire pyramid. So I do 55 times 10 to get 550. So I need to divide this to the side by 3. So I get 550 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 once, and that's 3. You get 2 left over, bring down the 5. 3 goes into 25 8 times, that's 24. I have 1 left over. 3 goes into 10 3 times, which is 9. 1 left over, so we'd have to add a decimal and a 0. I see repeating, so it would be 3 times repeating. So let's write that in over here. 550 divided by 3 equals 183.3 repeating. So our volume is 183.3 repeating yards cubed. Again, this is volume, so we have to cube the unit of measure.